I'm gonna start by saying that I know I've been missing from YouTube. It's not like I'm not making any videos or just coming once a week, once every other week, but I'm doing the best I can. This year has been absolutely nutty. I decided, as you know, to uproot my entire life and move, which is happening currently happening, hence why my bedroom is almost empty. With that said, starting the year off with 2 colds that left me plague-ridden and unable to function for January, and then February getting into the thick of apartment hunting, looking around, settling a move, figuring out how do you move across the country. There's your hint number 1. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about where I'm moving. I do have some footage of my new place. So there is going to be a little bit of an empty apartment tour. It's a little janky, not going to lie. I did it on my way out from dropping off some stuff that I bought at Home Goods. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of share a little bit, talk a little bit to you, and say hi. I miss you. Things are going to get back to normal really soon. I'm making a packing vlog, which I think you're going to love. So for those of you who like organizing, packing, getting things together, you will see that. I think I have footage of, gosh, I don't even know where this footage starts. So I've just been kind of like trying to capture moments, and then I knew that I would sit down and kind of just talk you through what's been going on. So I guess the first thing is that I'm moving to LA, right? Let's just get it out there. Let's just say it so I don't have to talk in puzzles and riddles. Right now I'm in New York. I'm in my New York apartment, and hence the noise and the violent wind that's happening outside. So I'm moving to LA, yay. And I'm naming the chronicling of this move in this chapter of my life, Peace and Palm Trees. Why am I calling it that? Because I think the moment that I decided that I wanted to move to LA, I was in the car with a friend of mine, and we were driving around, and I remember just like sort of dreading going back to New York and thinking, this is what I want, you know? And I said out loud to her, I was just like, yo, the sunshine, I just want peace and palm trees. And it just clicked in my mind, and I was like, that's what I'm gonna name my moving series. And I hadn't even like fully decided I was moving in that moment. So, yeah. Just a little bit of backstory. This whole decision to move to LA was not like on a whim. I have been wanting to move to or live in LA for the better part of 10 years, literally since I started going. So in my PR life, I would have to go back and forth to LA like a lot for work. And at first I was a typical New Yorker, even though I'm a Philly girl. I've been in New York since like my entire adult life. So I'm a true New Yorker. And at first I would be like, this place is terrible. Like, these people are just chilling. Everybody's walking around in the sunshine in a daze. Like, where's the vibe? Where's that New York City aggressiveness? Where's that fast pace? And I really didn't relate. And I guess just like as I've gotten older, every time I go, I'm just like, yo, this weather is for me. This like waking up and going to the farmer's market life is for me. Like, I just want something different. So I picked LA because, one, I have a really strong network of friends out there. So I have like, of course, blogger friends who live there, but I also have friends that I've been very close to, like family level friends that I've known since the beginning of my PR career. And so having a sense of community somewhere that I'm gonna move and live is very important to me. So I have that. So fantastic. People to, you know, hang out with and, you know, have a dinner party and share experiences with. Friends that you could like leave your keys with, you know, just like all this logistical stuff you want in a city that you're gonna live in. And so that's, you know, a big part of it. And then also because of the work that I do, I both as an influencer and consulting here and there, I can do that work in LA. I'm blessed enough to where if I have my laptop, I'm good. I can do what I need to do. So yeah, and also, you know, it is still a big city. I'm excited to have like access to the beach and the mountains and the city, you know, all within 30-40 minutes. Like it's gonna be good. It's gonna be really good. You guys, the jet lag is destroying me. I just put my glasses on because my eyes are so weak and tired that it's better if we can see, right? It's better if we can see. So I got back from LA late last night. I actually went because Ford invited me to attend Essence's Black Women in Hollywood luncheon, which is very exciting because it's like the event for Black actresses in Hollywood, and it was incredible to be in a room with these people. So I flew into LA and I had to get ready for the events. So the first day that I was there, I went to, Ford had a brunch, and my friend Alex LaRosa, who is a queen, she came with me as my date, and we had the best day just celebrating Black excellence with our friends at Ford. And then the next day I went to the actual luncheon, and they were honoring Amanda Steinberg and 2 other actresses. And it just, I mean, it was just a great day. I sat directly across from Tina Knowles and like ate chicken, you know, for lunch, and like I'm like sitting there eating from my plate, and I look up and she's like right here. So I will show you a little bit of what happened on that day. Hey. Oh my God. There's a lot happening. I feel like I started this moment in the middle of a lot happening. I'm dressed. I looked like actual garbage mere moments ago. Alex LaRosa's here, my queen. Hello. You know this view. This is the Massey store. Mel's back here customizing. She's the queen. Say hi, Mel.
Hi. I didn't know you were
so Alex and I are on our way to a very fancy party. The beautiful people at Ford, my Ford fam, invited me to go to Essence's Black Women in Hollywood, and there's a pre-media brunch which starts in like 4 minutes, so we should go, and we'll bring you along. Yeah. The event's over, and I'm just now remembering the vlog. We made a new friend. Come back, friend. So, look at this design. I know. What? You see this magic? She's an artist. I will put her IG somewhere on the screen. Who created this incredible print for Ford, celebrating Essence's Black Women in Hollywood. We're so proud. Really? Yeah. So we got kimonos, like the one she's wearing. Wow. Also the head wrap, which she promised to teach how, but that didn't actually happen. So I don't know. Like,
don't play. You want us to do your hair?
I mean, maybe another time. I would, but like, you know, what if my wig falls off? You know, we can't.
Real problem.
I know. So the light is weird. I'm sorry. I don't know what's happening. Oh, because there's something light is snatching all the light off of our faces. But I look tan.
You do look very tan. So it's a good balance.
So we had fun.
We ate good.
My ruffle sleeve survived brunch.
I'm so proud.
I know. Well, I did get hurt by a croissant. Wait, injured by a toothbrush opening situation, and then the flake of a croissant.
Let me reiterate that for you. Kelly injured herself with a plastic bag that was on a toothbrush.
This sounds very rude. The way that
It
you're
wasn't
delivering.
the hard plastic that's difficult to open. It was a plastic bag. But she injured herself and actually bled for it. Then she re-injured herself.
Right here.
She re-injured herself with a croissant.
The flake of the croissant was sharp.
Not a thing.
Moral of the story, croissants are dangerous. Watch your back and your fingers. If you are injured by your bread of choice, she will not help you. You're on your own. Okay? You're on your own.
A mess.
How?
It hurt. How?
What's up, guys? I'm at the Essence Black Women in Hollywood event. I don't know how much I can vlog here, but I'll try. Or maybe I'll just sneak you footage and explain later, because it might not be cool to talk to camera. But I'm here, I'm with Ford, and I'm excited. It's gonna be a good day. I just spent kind of running around with one of my best friends out there. His name's Alexis. I know there's so many similar names in my life. It's insane. So Alexis used to work for me at my old PR agency, which is crazy. And we have been friends ever since. And I love her to death. She's the most sweet, genuine human probably that I've ever met. She's just a good egg. And she is also the queen of helping me out. Like, she's just amazing. She's such a helpful and generous friend with her time. And so we went to Home Goods and did a little bit of prepping of my apartment. And I actually kind of got screwed up because I was supposed to I was gonna stay in my apartment. So I got there on Tuesday, and I thought that my bed delivery was coming on Tuesday, but then I was told, because you know the weather has been insane across the United States, I was told that my bed was gonna be delayed until Friday. So when I got in, I had to get a hotel last minute, and it was just like, it was a whole thing, and it was, you know, not expected, and it was a little bit stressful. Then I got word that my bed actually wasn't even getting into the LA area until Monday. So, and I was leaving Sunday. So it just was wild. And thank God that I have Hotel Tonight, and my friends from Hotel Tonight really did come through for me in a jam. So thank you so much to them. You guys love that code, by the way. So I'll put it on the screen. If you like booking, you know, they have last minute booking. The prices are stellar, but now you can book even further out. My code is here, and you get $25 off your first day, which is incredible. So I did that. And then ran around, and then I had another friend in town who was for a work gig, and so ran around with them and just did some kind of like LA party scene things, which I couldn't capture because it was just like not appropriate. There were a lot of famous people around, and it just, you know, it wasn't okay for me to film, so I didn't. But then stopped by my new apartment and was dropping some stuff off, and I actually had the intelligence to remember that I should maybe shoot a little footage in there while, you know, it was still empty before all the boxes come. So and it sucks because the apartment is so bright, you guys. There are so many windows. It's incredible. Like there's like 4 windows in the living room, 3 in the living room, 4 in the dining room. It's just really bright. But by the time I got there, the sun was setting, so the light wasn't like incredible or anything. But I just wanted to give you a quick sneak peek into the home that I'm going to live in for at least the next year. And I really like it. I am moving from a 2-bedroom in New York City, which Manhattan apartments are notoriously small, but I live in a unicorn. My apartment is really big. And so I downsized, I downsized from a 2-bedroom to a 1-bedroom because as I thought about what kind of life I want to live, my 2nd bedroom now really serves as a catch-all. Like, it's where shipments go. It's where, you know, I have like racks of clothes in there, so it's like a closet plus storage plus that, and it really just houses stuff. And I want so much less stuff in my life that I said, why should I pay for another bedroom just to keep stuff in it? And you know, really kind of making the decision to be more conscious about how many things I own and how many things I keep. I mean, I get a lot of things in just because of the work I do, but I need to be much more diligent at, you know, the donation process and making sure that I'm getting things out as quickly as they come in. So I decided to go with a 1-bedroom. I'm one human. It's fine. It's fair. It's a good time. And I love the fact that I have a living and dining area. So, you know, I feel like I have enough space in the apartment that I'm not going to feel claustrophobic or anything. So, okay, friends, that is it. That's where I'm going to live. It's really charming. I'm obsessed with the Spanish archways. Those, you know, entries in from room to room. It's funny because when I imagined living in Los Angeles, like literally years ago, I always wanted those kind of archways. And so, you know, I think it's a good place for me to start my life there and, you know, test the waters, see if I like it and all of that. I'm sure that I will. And up next is going to be moving vlogs. I'm about to go pack and I'm gonna film it. My hair is crazy because I just washed it and I didn't do anything to it. So this is what we're doing. I'm excited, you guys. I'm excited and I hope that you're excited, and I'm definitely gonna be sharing more. It's just been really challenging to fit in the mental space of filming while I'm making all these huge decisions and changes and everything. I'm getting a little bit better at it. I'm getting better at like kind of just even just getting the footage, and then I can kind of walk you through after. Hopefully you like the format of this video, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I love you, mean it. Bye.